In this video, we will see how to make a line graph of data corresponding to the running speed of ants that varies with ambient temperature. So in the first column, we have different temperatures, and in the second column, the corresponding speeds, centimeters per second, temperature in degrees Celsius. So a temperature of 25.6 degrees Celsius corresponds to 2.62 centimeters per second running speed. So to graph this data, we need to draw a vertical axis and a horizontal axis. And we'll put our independent variable on the horizontal axis. Our independent variable is going to be the temperature in degrees Celsius. And our vertical axis will be the speed in centimeters per second. We want to label our axis according to the data that we're given. It looks like all the values are in the 25 to 33 range, so we can do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And then for our speeds, we have everything ranging from 2.6 to 4.1. So we'll do 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.53, 3.54, 4.5, 5. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we want to plot the corresponding values as points. We'll make a scatter plot this way. So our first point is our independent input value is 25.6. So we're going to go over on the temperature axis to about 25.6, so it's just a little bit past 25. And then we'll go up to 2.62 for the temperature. So 1, 2.5, a little above 2.6. So that's our first point there. And then we have 27.5. So on the temperature axis, we go all the way to 27. So it's a little, not quite halfway, about halfway between 25 and 30. And then we go up to just above 3, the next point. And then 30.4, just a little past 30, and we go up to just over 3.5 for the next point, and then 33, so just about to 35, and then we go all the way up to 4.17. And then we connect our scatter plot adjacent points with line segments to graph the line that represents the running speed of ants that varies with ambient temperature.